I'm Vimol Mitchell, Associate Director for Maintenance Operation for the Anschutz Medical Campus. We hire Pickens students as interns and then work with them to become technicians at the Anschutz campus. The students that we hire from Pickens comes with the knowledge of HVAC systems. They come with the knowledge of tools, handling tools, how to do maintenance, work ethics, basically have an overall knowledge of what HVAC systems are. All the students that we hire are very motivated and passionate about the industry. The passion for the field is one thing that Pickens instill in the students, and that's what we really like the students when they come to us, is their passion about what they're doing. At this point, we have hired roughly about 12 or 13 students from Pickens. Some have stayed with us and some have moved on to bigger and better things. In closing, I want to say I'm looking forward to hire you as a student with the University of Colorado Anschutz Medical Campus from the Pickens HVAC program. So we have an apprenticeship program, we have an internship program, so please do apply.